A very good afternoon to the honorable dignitaries on the dais, dignitaries across the dais, faculty members, students, members of the press, ladies and gentlemen. On behalf of University of Science and Technology, Meghalaya, we would like to welcome all to the grand launch of the USTM Riding Club. USTM has not only always emphasized on the academic welfare of the students, but also on their social, cultural, physical, and mental welfare. And keeping in view of this objective, another brainchild of our Honorable Chancellor, Sir, Shri Mahbubul Haq, sir, is the creation of this unique sports facility of horse riding for the first time in the university system of Northeast India. We hope that with the USTM Riding Club, we'll be a perfect arena to discover the thrills of horse riding while enjoying the nature at the fullest.
Esteemed Vice Chancellor Professor J.D. Sharma sir, Chief Guest of the day, Inspector General of Police, Sri Shetty sir, State Director of Ministry of Youth, Sports and Youth from Assam, Syed Ali Sahab, Colonel Samir Bhatnagar from Squadron NCC from Guwahati, other dignitaries sitting in the dais, my dear students, faculty members, and most importantly, media friends. Mehjabin has already told the purpose of this endeavor, horse riding club at USTM. Our small team is very much busy with academic activities, research activities, which is a very normal function of any academic institution. As a university, it is our mandate. We have to conduct research, we have to conduct academic activities, we have to conduct training activities. But it is the understanding of the team USTM that simultaneously we have to encourage we have to facilitate all other amenities and facilities, which gives the strength, which gives the boost to the students' community, and through in terms of sports, culture, and all allied activities. And we must consider that this horse riding club is one of them. It is our commitment that very near future, you will be seeing many new things in this university. Now it is by 4 p.m. every student sleeps for their home, for their hostel. What they will do? Probably from 8-9 p.m. onwards they will continue their study. But what they will do for their kind of recreational kind of things and entertainment, sports, all these things are there. And you will be happy to know that any statutory bodies of Government of India or anywhere in the world, that is now very encouraging that any academic institution must inculcate all such kind of activities in the institutions, so that students can feel comfortable and they can lose their anxiety and everything. Within a very short span of time, we got a very much support. I must mention Mr. Fayaz Khan, who was the main person behind our auditorium development, and he personally gone to Rajasthan and did the entire planning, and within a short span he got the trainer. Our main person behind, Mr. Lal Singh, is a nearly 20 years experienced captain, and he has also expressed interest that I want to join USTM. So he was working with another organization in Upper Assam, but he shifted immediately within 10-15 days. We have 2 persons came from Rajasthan along with these horses to take care of them. They also said that we came for 2 months, but we'll be continuing here. So I am lucky, entire team, USTM is lucky that we have a very strong team who can carry forward the training program for our students. Certainly it is not a cup of tea for everyone. I am not eligible for horse riding because I have a severe back pain, I have a slip disc. So many students may not have an interest. Yesterday I was interacting with the students of our BAG, Bachelor of Administration and Governance, and I was telling that and they are all aspirants for the civil service. Next year they will be appearing, nearly 40 students they are appearing. So it was a discussion that few young IPS and IS officers came here, and they were emphasizing that student must inculcate the culture of hobby. So I was telling them that every student must inculcate, and they have to develop their own habit. It should not be only generalists doing this thing. So hobby must be something exceptional one and innovative one, and which must be giving some benefit to near and dear. So I welcome all of you. It's a sunny day. Intentionally we have not given chairs here because I want to see that how much passionate you are, and this program will be finished within 20-25 minutes, and after that certainly the running activity by horses will be shown in the medical ground in the other side. So my request to all of you that please you also see the kind of actual showcasing there in the hilltop. You did not leave, because today they will show something exceptional, and I am very grateful to all the dignitaries. Within a short span, especially Shetty sir, he is our neighbor, I must say. If we are coming out from the campus, the first organization of Government of India, it is CRPF Group Center. And just yesterday we have communicated, he has accepted our invitation. Ali Saheb and all other dignitaries, and they are the people who will speak about what is the benefit of horse riding. I am not the expert, because they are the people, they are knowing that how this can create the kind of career enhancement, and how it can be a facilitator to in getting their career. So I think they will be speak out, because they are the resource persons, they are the experienced people, and how it will be beneficial for the students. So I am very much hopeful, and especially students are our the main inspiration, and you are seeing that from last 1 and 2 years we are emphasizing on such kind of co-curricular, extracurricular and all such kind of sports activities, considering that we have a mission by 2030, our university must be in the world map. Our university must be one of the best university in the country by 2025. Our university must be in the world-class map by 2030. And for that, we have to create a holistic environment where students can get the satisfaction in terms of their academic field, in terms of their research field, in terms of their other kind of such activities, and make their life a smart life. Thank you very much. Thank you.